How to unshare password in LastPass. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for lastpass.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the passwords option. After that, it will show you all the passwords that you have on your account. What we need to do is to select the password that we want to unshare. In here, you will see the share icon. Simply tap on this one. And then after that, it will show you all the list of the existing shares. What you need to do is to select the account where you want to unshare the password. After that, on the right part, you will see this X option. Simply tap on this one. And then after that, tap on the Yes option. And as you can see, that account or email is automatically removed on the share list. So that's how easy we can unshare passwords in LastPass. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!